Our brothers and sisters in Jamaica are facing unimaginable hardships in the wake of Hurricane Melissa, which has left communities devastated, homes destroyed, and families displaced. Many are without power, clean water, food, and essential supplies. Now, more than ever, we need to stand together. Donate what you can. No amount is too small. Contribute essential supplies such as water, non-perishables, toiletries, and baby items. Share this message to reach others who can support. Also, check in on loved ones and neighbours affected. Every gesture of kindness helps to rebuild a life, a home, a community. Jamaica is strong, but together we are stronger. Please join us in bringing hope and relief to those who need it the most. Let's rise up for Jamaica.